In these 3 tutorials, we'll be looking at JCal Pro, the premier events calendar for Joomla from anythingdigital.com. JCal Pro is one of the many extensions that are available from extensions.joomla.org. It's very popular, and as of this recording, it's in version 2.2.13 stable. Note that it does require registration to download this extension, as it is a paid extension. However, you'll see that it's got lots of ratings, lots of votes, lots of views, and it really is a good calendar extension for your Joomla site. Looking at the extensions directory page for JCal Pro, we'll see that there's a lot of comments, some good, some a little rough, but one of the really nice things that the owners take the time to reply in the extensions directory. When you're looking for extensions in Joomla, this is pretty important. It means that the owner not only takes pride in his work, but is willing to support it, troubleshoot it, and help you out when you need it. So from dev.anythingdigital.com, let's take a look at some of the features that JCal Pro gives us. Multiple calendar support, personal calendar support with public and read-only private access, massive performance boost in the new version, native multilingual support if you have Joomfish, Ajax-enabled browsing, works really well with SH404, SEF, of course, that comes from the same company, recurring event support, recurring event exceptions, flexible content plugin to embed events in articles, which is actually really nice. JCal Pro 1.5, if you're using an older version, you can update to the newest. RSS feeds, mini calendar support, copying, pasting, event management in the back end, permissioning from Joomla, all of these other things you can see, along with these additional features that come with the modules and plugins. This is at dev.anything-digital.com/JCal-Pro. You'll see that in the session notes below. JCal Pro is a pretty advanced calendar system for your Joomla site. So let's take a quick peek at the JCal Pro demo page. JCal Pro comes with all the things you would expect out of a great calendar software package. Monthly view, flat view, weekly view, daily view, category view. You can search your events. You can download it as an iCal calendar if you're a Mac user, and you can print off your calendars if you need to. You can show all calendars or different calendars. You have a month view, a category-only view, a public view, a private view. You have a module that gives you a mini calendar, a module that gives you whatever kind of upcoming events you want. This is called their Flex module, and it really is flexible. To add an event is very simple. When you're the administrator and you click Add Event, you're able to give it a title, a description, what calendar it's in, what category it's in, the date of the start time, how long the event will go, the contact information, email, and URL for the event, does the event repeat, and when do you want it to stop. With JCal Pro, you can also include a CAPTCHA if you've opened this up to other users. Pretty neat. There are a number of themes and templates available for JCal Pro. You can see those here. Plugins and modules that come with JCal Pro give you all kinds of flexibility in your output of your calendar. We'll look at that in just a little bit. The Flex module is pretty powerful. Gives you the ability to list and have your events listed any way you want. So it's a pretty powerful calendaring system. As I mentioned earlier, it is not free. And here's the grid that will help you decide what subscription level you want. In the basic level, you get JCal Pro. You get the default theme, which is actually pretty nice in and of itself. You don't get the Flex module, and you don't get the premium themes. You have the support in the forum for a year, and you're not getting any of the other paid extensions that Anything Digital offers. That's $29. They are running a special right now where you can get the Flex module, an RSVP, and advanced search, $45. And of course, their best value, if you're looking at specifically a JCal Pro kind of installation, you can use the themes on 3 sites. Your subscription lasts for a year. You don't get any of these other extensions, and it's $75 US. So you'll need to choose which subscription would be best for you. But the bottom line, basic level, $29 gets you JCal Pro on your site. In our next session, we'll install and configure JCal Pro on a live site.